It's been over a year since the Shire of Bland and its GM Ray Smith took Australia by storm. In the wake of a national media frenzy, securing $1 million in drought relief funding, scoring the PM's personal curry recipe and establishing an annual festival, the council are ready to fire up once again for round 2. But things aren't quite going to plan.
Right, last year's Flavour Festival was a national hit. Now we need to back it up with something just as special. Any ideas? Roz?
Isn't Ray our ideas man?
Well, yes he is, but as you all know, after the ScoMo affair, Ray went AWOL. Geez, it would be bloody good to have him here though.
Ray! I can't hold you anymore! Wow! What is this place? It's beautiful. That's it. Chicken stock!